This is the electromagnet induction sealing machine, the induction head. We will show to you the procedure in using this sealing machine. This is the induction liner made of aluminum foil. The working principle. The machine utilizes electromagnetic induction principle to produce instant thermal heat, which quickly melts the aluminum foil liner that then adheres tightly to the opening of the sealing object, such as plastic bottle. It is important that the liner is compatible with the type of plastic bottle being used. This is the voltage meter, the time setting adjustable from 0.1 to 2.9 seconds. The first step, place the induction liner inside the bottle cup. Place the cup on the bottle. This is the induction head, power switch. Place the induction head over the bottle. Press the button. Finish. Now the bottle is airproof, leak-proof, tamper-proof. The sealing method does not only prevent tampering and leakages, but also extend the preservation time of the products. Electromagnetic induction sealing technology has been widely used in pharmaceutical products, food and beverage, chemical industry, oil and petroleum products. Adjust the time setting, place the induction head, press the button, and the bottle is now sealed, tamper-proof. The non-contact inductive heating process will not directly affect the contents inside the bottle, especially for the heat-sensitive products. Simple and convenient operations, faster sealing time at minimal cost. Guaranteed machine reliability and durability with 1-year warranty.